Hey guys, if you recognize me, if you ever seen my channel, my name is Short934. Today I'm going to show you guys how a Lego train works. Sorry if the video looks sort of weird because I'm recording on a tablet, a Samsung. But I think we should start off with the controller. Get some. Okay, so here is the controller. Oh, yeah, let me take that off. This is the controller. You have a red side, which is right here, and a blue side, which is right here. These red buttons right here, that is for a train to stop. This right here is to control which motor is going to be running off, which I'll show you in a second. This, of course, is another red button. It stops the train. See, if I turn this or something, that green light comes on. That means your thing's on. This controller takes 3 AA and AAA batteries. This came from the blue cargo train, which is a newer one. I think it came out in like 2016 or 2017. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. I don't know. I think these I don't know what these actually do. These were useless. I never use them. I think they turn which way the train goes. Maybe, I don't know. But well, we got the controller. We're gonna need some other parts. Oh, that's a car. That's my dad's car. So hang on a second. Take this off. This off. This off. Oh man, there's a lot of parts in this. Sorry, this is a lot of wires. Yeah, this is battery powered. Man, hang on. Oops. Okay. This is a big problem. Get that off. Oh man, this is going apart very fast. Sorry for the long waiting. I'm trying to get this out. Here we go. Sorry about that. Okay, so this right here is your motor equipment. You got the wheels, which comes with a wire. Has this at the end. This is your motor, which takes 6 AAA or AA batteries. This one's AAA. And this tells you which controller this is on. See, I don't think I can show it in the numbers, but that is on number 3. And this is also on number 3. So if I turn that, that'll power the train. So what you're actually going to need to do is get a base plate, which is this. You can get another base plate, which is sort of a, you can get different base plates. You can get them in different colors. It doesn't just come in white. I think everyone knows that. If you're a beginner, though, I don't think you will. But this is the wheel part. This rolls on the track and is not battery powered. I'll show you the track in a second. So this goes on this base plate, like so. Hang on. Also, things that come with this a lot. If I can find it. My big bag Legos. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay. This is the bumper. This is magnetic and attaches to other cars, like this train car that is not customly made. Came with a set, but it's magnetic. Now I can pull it. I can pull the entire train. That goes on here. Now you got your base plate. Not your base plate, you got your wheels. That means you put the wheels in the middle. If it's small wheels, put them all the way in the front. If it's big wheels, put them in the middle. I'm gonna go put my microphone in. Okay.
You better go Walmart this morning.
But
What do you think?
see, that's in the middle. That will make so that the base plate can now move. So now you can take this and also connect it. This wire right here is going to go through this hole right there. So let me put that in real quick. I think you should first put the wire through the hole like this. Oops. I'm a bad YouTuber, aren't I? But see, look. That is how it'll go. So now you'll put the wheels into there. So now your wheel should look something like this. Now, what you're gonna need to do is get this, which is that's what I showed you for the remote. So you gotta put this in wherever you like. But remember, wherever you're gonna put it, you have to put the motor somewhere else. So we're gonna put this thing right here. And I'll show you something. Let me get that one. You can put like I guess I'll just call it a detector. You can put it anywhere you like, only if it sticks to a Lego. So, here it is. I'm just putting it on the front of the train, just in case. Yeah, you can flip that right there to change what remote that is. So now you got this cord. I'll show you that in a second. Now you're going to take this cord with the blue piece, and you're going to put it on the blue right here. So, let me put that on real quick. Okay. So now, we have that on. Next, this will go on here. So let me put that on. You can also put the motor wherever you like. Only if it sticks. So then, after throwing the motor on, wherever you like, you can put the wire right there. Okay. So when that is connected, this is the power button, which will turn it on. And if the power is not connected, that green light will not be on in the front. So now we have this, which is our train. Just making sure I'm on the right one. Correct. Oh. Okay. So there it is. And now we're going to attach these cars to it. So now we have our train running. But I wish it could move by itself. This is what the remote's for. This right here, since that is blue right there, it's on the blue side, this will control it. When it makes that noise, your train's moving. All by itself. Sadly though, sometimes my train has problems and does, there we go. My batteries are running sort of low in this. But I wanted to tell you something else about the remote. A train has 7 speeds. This is the first speed. I flip it 1 time. Wait, that's 2 times. Oh, wait. Let me restart. Alright, here we go. Train has 7 speeds. Why is this train not liking me? Battery power. Hang on, technical difficulties. Please stand by once again. Oh, okay. So here it is. A train has 7 speeds. This is the first speed. Train, hello? There we go. That's the first speed. I'll just put it in reverse. This is the second speed. Wait. This is the third speed. This is the fourth speed. Fifth 6th, and 7th. So now your train's going at top speed. Now what you can do, perfect, stop. Now you can build a body over it, which I'm not going to, but you can take your motor wherever you like, and you can put pieces on it, like so. And you can make walls, you can make a cab, and you can make a person who sits in it. So now for the final thing, I think we should test one thing. Let's test crash. Just spamming it. Here's my Ford hot rod from F1. Okay. Train's still going. Oh, nope, the train just has derailed. Well, thank y'all for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.